Good evening, dear viewers! What flavor do you think could represent the autumn months of October? What notes, aromas and colors could convey the atmosphere of this time of the year? Today I want to introduce you to a cocktail which I called October. It is like an autumn sunset in a glass, a combination of tartness and sweetness, like the warm days before the cold winter. And of course I invite you to make it with me. Ingredients: 15 ml melon syrup, 15 ml limoncello, 15 ml yellow tequila. Follow me! The first layer is the melon syrup. We pour it into a shot glass using a bath spoon. This sweet, fruity syrup will create the base of our October like warm sunlight breaking through golden foliage. Second layer. Accurately pour into the limoncello so that it lies smoothly over the syrup. This is a reminder of the last bright colors of the passing summer still visible in October. Third layer. We finish our shot with yellow tequila, tart but at the same time warming taste, like a cold autumn wine which suddenly gets to the bones, but leaves a pleasant aftertaste. This is the October shot. Each layer of this drink contains its own story, from sweetness to warmth to refreshing coolness. The appearance of the shot reminds of autumn landscapes, from golden fields to the sky, penetrated by cold rains. I'm sure that this drink will definitely surprise and delight your guests with this elegance and layering. What does October symbolize for you? Maybe there is some other drink that you associate with this month. And by the way, the name October for this shot was born from my desire to combine contrasts: warm and cold, sweet and tart. Just what this month is memorable for. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my page. There are many more exciting discoveries to come. Bye bye! Nice!